Howdy Busters and Busterinos. Howdy Busters, Howdy Busters, Busterinos, and Boosteros. Welcome to this game. This game as in bird. Bird Alpha. Now let's go to the microtransaction store, and here we are, microtransaction store. I would get some things in the microtransaction store, but you know what? God, it's Pajaro, Daddy Bird, Foggy, Gatekeeper. Oh, Jesus. No, wait. No, is there a doodle bird? Well, I guess there is no fear. Only McDonald. Only Ronald. Maybe the game is broken. Why am I able to why am I able to spectate Ronald McFrickin' Donald? Now he turned into a Game Boy. Oh my God, I can spectate. Look, Mom, I'm out of bounds. OMG. Yeah, I remember having a Conehead plush. Removed his pants. And his hat. Might need to get a new one. Might need to get a new Conehead and just call the old Conehead Pansy. Why would I call him Pansy? Freaking hell. Why would I call him Pansy? He just doesn't have any pants. That's why I call him Pansy. And I'm an unfortunate. Solve puzzles to chomp some time and avoid bird at all costs. Oh my God! It's sword fight on the heights. Oh, sugar! Never mind. Oh, sugar! Oh, sugar! Oh God! Yeah, duck season, rabbit season. Screw you! It's not duck season. It's rabbit season. Wait, no, hold on. That's rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit. Had to disable damage and jump scares, cause I don't like the goddamn damage effect, cause it's just way too freaking out of control. Why is it so evil? Frick. Why is this obby so hard, Maya? I'll become a master. I can just jump on the glowy stuff. Oh, sugar! Oh, sugar! Oh, sugar! I just sugared that. I just sugared the old sugar out of that. Why do I always say, like every time I'm scared, just sugar? Like, what am I gonna earn from saying oh sugar? Other than death. was what that was. Need to be a little bit quicker when jumping on the things that are supposed to insta-kill you. Shoot! Shoot! Ahoy, Sponge Boy me Bob! I have just died horrifically. And am now in the depths of the underworld. Okay, so can we have a Sponge Boy? Can we have a Mr. Crab skin? Just call it Bird Boy me Bob. Is this bird dressed up as Mr. Frickin' No, it's just straight up a plushie of Mr. Krabs. In fact, I have a Mr. Krabs plushie, but I don't got a green screen, so we might be in some deep doo-doo. I might be in some deep doo-doo. Louie. You got Louie? Placeholder. Masterpiece. Frickin' masterpiece. I want that. Wait, no. It's Hero Bird. Man, what a JoJo. Yar yar. Heck I did. Oh no! Bird has consumed the robots. Run. Or I've seen worse. I've seen worse. No. 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 I've seen worse. God save my soul. Oh, the demon is back. Oh God, it's terrible. It's terrifying. God, kill it. Take it out. Take it out. Nuke it. Nuke it. Nuke it. Take it out of this world. It doesn't belong here. It's the demon. Done. Done. This is scary. No. Cheetah Man. Bear. Got this man. This game. And then you got the boy himself, the creator of Bird. And unfortunate, there isn't even a bird. We're just all gonna be sitting here. One night at Flumpty's! Bro, it's one night at Flumpty. Bro. Bro. It's literally one night at Flumpty's. And it has Bendy and the ink machine over here. Oh God, it's Birdbot. Everybody run. Birdbot. It's literally one night at Flumpty's. Oh, this is cool. Bro, this is cool. Oh, why is this giving me flashbacks to that time that I played One Night at Flumpty's? That's horrific. That was horrible. It was terrifying. Oh God. But bro, it's one night at the motherfucking Flumpy Boys. Oh, this just makes me even sadder that One Night at Flumpty's game RP was killed. It's really sad. Why? Why'd it have to go? It didn't need to go, but it did anyways. And then we got Bendy and the ink machine over here for some reason. Why is it over here? No!
I am a robot.
He's not here, kindly beast. He's not here, kindly beast. Please don't take this place down.
Crush, kill, bleed.
Oh Lord, let's not go in there. horrible. I feel like I'm gonna puke. My eyes are dying inside. God, I want... The cheat is dead. Yes. The cheat is dead. Yes. He died. Ah. Ah. Mouse, mouse. Move now. In my medical opinion, that heavy is dead. Doc, what happened? My professional opinion, the heavy was killed. Oh God, this has to stop now. I don't think it's anything to worry about. Well, I
am a robot. I was built to scare you. I am a robot. I am programmed to give you a sensible haircut.
It has soldier voice lines.
Crush, kill, bleed.
It has robot soldier from MVM voice lines.
Robot. I am programmed to give you a sensible haircut.
What?
Robot noises.
No, lol, can't see me.
I am a robot. I was built to scare you.
My God.
Crush, kill, bleed.
Oh. Order. Hashtag, 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 hashtag.
Bleed.
Think that's supposed to like XD, 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 XD. God, kill it, stop. Oh, gosh, it's the ink machine, guys.
Chavez.
I was given a taco. Mi mommy make me taco. Mi mommy me taco. Oh no. Don't tell me this is another drop into the void.
Chavez.
Oh. Huh. I should look at that. It wasn't another drop into the void. We did it. Yeah, boy. What's in the premium zone? Favorite food is bread with cheese. That's Sam's least favorite food. And I know that because when Sam ate it, I saw it with my own two eyes. I was there at the dinner table with Sam, Whitey, and Bear. We were all sitting there peacefully, and then Bear put some cheese on his garlic bread. And he passed it over to Sam, and Sam said, "You frick fate," and then proceeded to kill everyone. Of course, he didn't actually kill anybody over that atrocity, but that's besides the point. Should I turn on Kazatsky kick again? Screw it. Oh God. Screw it, brother. Whee! Ah, man, this is one of the most original memes of all time. I think. I believe so. Did that guy just walk off the edge? supposed to die. Buster, why are you not dead? Yep, he died. Well, he died. Can I get a oof, ladies and gentlemen? Wow, he's dead. I'm the god now. Look, Mom, I'm out of bounds. Look, even I'm out of bounds. Oh, shoot. What? No, let me get over there. Wait a moment. Can I do the ultimate cheat? Shoot, I can't shit. Look, Mommy, I'm out of bounds. Look, Mom, I'm out of bounds. Look, Mommy, I'm out of bounds. Look at me, Mom, I'm out of bounds. Oh dear God, what is this heck hole? Shoot, shoot. Wait, what did I just... I think I cheated the system, lads. I think I cheated the system. I don't think that was supposed to happen. I think I'm God. I think I might just be God at this game. I just cheated the system so cheatingly that I cheated the system. No! Why are you killing him? Why are you killing him, my friend? No, that's not very nice. Please stop it. You are really hurting him. Now let's go. Wait, you die so if you could. Nah, that would be We are somehow behind the wall of walls, so you better be aware that we're behind the wall. I don't think this was supposed to happen, but oh well. We did it. We won. Wait, what? We did it? I did it? We did it? Oh, that's a fix. Bruh. Well, these are some pretty cool bananas. Oh, I want to turn my enemies into pretty cool bananas. L and ooh. Wow, look, an inside joke. Oh. Well, lads, look at me. I'm the bird. Oh, God. Lol dolls. Oh God, here we go again. I'm the soldier of death. Oh, wait, what? What the heck was that? Mm-hmm. 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 Oh! Yes, it is indeed a great game, and I will never stop playing it. Haddly diddly do. God, not this game. Not this one again. I absolutely hate this map with all of my life. I hate it. No, end it. End the map. End the map. End it. We're done here. I hate this map. I can't even reset. So I'm just stuck here being like, what? I guess we're just gonna be continuing to do this for the rest of eternity. Oh god, I hate this map. Yeah, every game has to have its maze map, whether it be like actual maze or like just a maze to get through. Oh. I did it. Save the world, then I did it. I saved the world. Oh, hello there, Buster. You are dead. You are dead, not big surprise. You've been killed by the ultimate life form. Oh. Gotta find out where I'm going through this whole big poop race. It's gonna be a bit of a chore, don't you think? Don't you think this is gonna be a freaking hassle in the castle? Gah! I believe I'm standing on your head, buddy. Yeah, I'm standing on his head. I think I'm a bird way too much. I think I should maybe stop being bird sometime. I don't really know where everybody went. I am scared. Good. Ooh. Ooh, I think I know what that is. Oh. No. 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 No, it can't be. No! Not that again, no! 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 Not the demon! Oh god, it's terrifying! I can feel its presence chasing me! Oh dear god! Why is the music still there? Oh god, and oh dear lord! Why must it always be there? It's horrific! It's a horrific creation of humanity! It doesn't deserve to exist!